It's Thursday, March 6th. Bought some SPY 567 calls at 12:05. This is on the kind of confirmation when bar 3, kind of closed strongly green here above the first bar high after taking out the pre-market lows at a key kind of I guess you can call it low end of the range here from yesterday, where we have that inside bar, and we decided to go up today. So at the moment, until we fail, which means we come back to the midpoint of that first bar, it looks like we're heading up maybe to take out that pre-market gap high. The big question still in play, and we don't know for sure how this weekly chart's going to end up. Are we going to potentially reverse down here and head a lot higher? Again, until we really break above these 2-bar highs, at least for today, it's still just an inside bar, so I'm aware of that. But the price action seems strong enough where the buying came in early that I'll give it a shot to at least follow through a little bit and see if we maybe, just have a lot of choppiness in this range here where the buying's coming in. And in fact, we do head strongly up maybe by, this morning and the end of the day, and want to start having an overall reversal unfolding towards the end of the week. I could still see this area failing, to tell you the truth, just given the fact that we're at the bottom of a range. It seems like you're getting buying at support here, but this still stops. Everyone's putting a stop down here. So if this whole thing fails and we come back down, it could be a good sell opportunity to take out, these triple bottoms here. And then ultimately, it looks like, we could have this weekly chart closing strongly red below this key pivot and wanting to follow through a lot lower. So that's what's unfolding. On one hand, it's either going to be very good support and you're going to get strong buying like we've had the last 2 days, or it's going to kind of fail in here and reverse lower. But now I know what a failure is going to look like. It's going to have to be a big red bar that kind of gets through the midpoint of this first bar. That to me would be a sign we're testing these lows, and I'd kind of expect that if that develops. But for now, I'll just see if we get the strong buying, at least enough to scale out, set up a no-risk trade, and then see if maybe this takes place all morning long and begins to, figure out how it wants to handle this 3-day range that's developing, breaking out either above or below. But at the moment, we're definitely moving higher inside this range. So let's go with that and hopefully scale out, set up a no-risk trade, realize failures are still possible, but, see if maybe, it's just one of those things where this big gap down was an opportunity for a lot of buying relative to a reversal that might be occurring here as the rest of the week moves on.